Hello, my name is Wayan Cinta with student number 060-111-8242-9007 and I'm from class 3A Indralaya.
Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about noun clause. Do you know what is noun clause? So, a noun clause is a dependent clause that functions as a noun in a sentence. Because it functions as a noun clause can serve as a subject, object of preposition, and complement. And do you know what words are commonly used to introduce noun clause? So, noun clause usually start with words such as that, what, who or whom, whether or if, when, where, why, and how. And next, we move to examples of noun clause. What are they? The first is noun clause as subject. For example, what she said made everyone laugh. What she said is subject of noun clause. And second, noun clause as object. For example, I don't know what he wants. What he wants is object of noun clause. And third, noun clause as object of preposition. For example, she is worried about why he has not called. Why he has not called is object of preposition of noun clause. And the last is noun clause as complement. For example, the problem is that we don't have enough time. The problem is that is complement of noun clause. And now we're going to learn about noun clause that begin with question words such as what, where, when, why, and how. Let's see how they work. So, noun clause can begin with question words with pattern WH plus subject plus verb. First, as object of verb, I don't know where she lives, not where does she live. And can you tell me what he wants, not what does he want. And second, as subject, for example, what she said surprised everyone, and where he went is still a mystery. And third, as complement, for example, the problem is why he didn't come, and the question is who will lead the team, and the problem is how we can fix it. So, let's compare question versus noun clause. For question, where is she? For noun clause, I don't know where she is. Notice that she is follows statement order. Now we are going to learn about noun clause that begin with whether or if. Let's get started. Noun clause can start with whether or if when we talk about yes or no information, something uncertain or something that has two possibilities. For example, I don't know whether he will come, and I'm not sure if she likes it. So remember, whether is common in writing and if is more common in speaking. Next, we are going to learn about noun clause with that. A noun clause with that is a clause that begins with the conjunction that and functions as a noun in a sentence. In this case, that does not mean itu as a demonstrative word, it only works as a connector. Characteristics of noun clause with that. They begin with that. After that, the pattern is subject plus verb. That does not point to an object, and it only functions as a conjunction that introduces a clause. For example, that she passed the test, she is subject, pass is a verb. And next, do you know the differences between a noun clause as an object and a noun clause as a complement? If you don't know yet, let's discuss with me. So first, noun clause as an object. A noun clause functions as the object when it completes the meaning of a verb. Without the noun clause, the verb feels incomplete or hanging. For example, I know that she is smart. The noun clause is the object of noun. And she told me what happened yesterday. The noun clause is the object of told. And second, noun clause as complement. A noun clause functions as the complement when it explains or completes the subject after a linking verb such as be, become, seem, appear, look, and feel. For example, the problem is that we don't have enough time. The noun clause is the complement explaining the problem. And next, we are going to look at some common errors in noun clause and how to fix them. First, using question word order inside a noun clause. Common error: I don't know where is she. Why it's wrong? A noun clause use statement word order such as subject plus verb, not question order. And how to fix it? Use where she is. So the correct is I don't know where she is. And second, missing subject inside the noun clause. Common error: I know what doing. Why it's wrong? Every noun clause needs a subject. And how to fix it? Add the subject inside the clause. So the correct is I know what he is doing. The last, using two connectors at the same time. Common error: I don't know that where she went. And how to fix it? Only one connector is allowed. So the correct is I don't know where she went. And now we've arrived at the last part of our lesson, which is the conclusion. Noun clause is a dependent clause that functions as a noun in a sentence. It can be a subject, an object, or a complement, and is usually introduced by words like that, if or whether, or question words. It always uses subject plus verb order inside the clause. Hey Bima, do you know why she isn't here today?
Hi Cinta, no, but I heard that she has a meeting.
Okay, let's wait until we know when she will come. So, that's all for today's lesson on noun clause. Keep learning, keep growing, and see you in the next class. Bye-bye.